Hey, this is Marjorie Wildcraft, founder of the Grow Network, and thanks for following me along on my project to do a guerrilla garden. It's on a public access road to the beach here in Puerto Rico. And I was talking in my last video about the most important thing you gotta have if you're gonna do a garden. Doesn't matter if it's the garden in your backyard or you're trying to do it out here or you're trying to do it anywhere. The most important thing is access to fresh water. And it turns out that this little plot is pretty close to a little, I've got it right here in the background here, is a little stream of fresh water that dumps into the ocean. And having access to fresh water is so super important. I'm gonna also dovetail in here some footage of me. I'm gonna go upstream and get this water because I'm gonna try and not have as much salt in it as possible, have it be fresh water. And if you notice that white bucket, I found it out here. And most people would think, oh, you know, a white bucket is trash, but it actually is very intentional. And I ended up meeting the man who put the bucket there. And it's a really interesting thing about this white bucket. So I'll talk to you a little bit about that on the next video. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go getting some water to start watering them in the plot. We'll talk to you next time.
The Grow Network is a movement of people who are stopping the destruction of the earth via homegrown food. Get our free guide to simple and effective homemade fertilizers at freefertilizers.com.